Elon Musk was born in June 28 in 1971. Is a technology entrepreneur, investor, and engineer. He holds South African, Canadian, and U.S. citizenship and is the founder, CEO, and lead designer of SpaceX, co-founder, CEO, and project architect of Tesla, co-founder and CEO of Neuralink, founder of the Boring Company, co-founder and co-chairman of OpenAI, and co-founder of PayPal. In December 2016, he was ranked the 21st of the Forbes list of the world's most powerful people. As of April 2019, he was on a net worth of $22 billion and is the list by Forbes as the 40 richest people in the world. Born and raised in Pretoria, South Africa, Musk moved to Canada when he was 17 to attend Queen's University. He transferred to University of Pennsylvania 2 years later, where he received an economics degree from Wharton School and degree in physics from the College of Arts and Sciences. He began a Ph.D. in applied physics and material science at Stanford University in 1995, but dropped out after 2 days to pursue an entrepreneurial career. After that, he co-founded Zip2, a web software company which was acquired by Compaq for $3,040 million in 1999. Musk then founded X.com, online bank, which is merged with Confinity in 2000 and later that year became PayPal, which was bought by eBay for $1.5 billion in October of 2002. In May 2002, Musk founded SpaceX, an aerospace manufacturer and space transport service company, of which is CEO and lead designer. He helped found Tesla, an electric vehicle and solar panel manufacturer, in 2003 and became its CEO and project architect. In 2006, he inspired the creation of SolarCity, a solar energy service company that is now a subsidiary of Tesla and operates in Chairman. In 2015, Musk co-founded OpenAI, a non-profit research company that aims to promote friendly artificial intelligence. In July of 2016, he co-founded Neuralink, a neurotechnology company focused on developing brain-computer interface. In December of the same year, Musk founded the Boring Company, an infrastructure company. In addition to his primary business pursuits, Musk has envisioned a high-speed transportation system known as the Hyperloop, as he proposed a vertical takeoff and landing supersonic jet electric aircraft with electric fan propulsion, known as the Musk Electric Jet. Musk has stated the goals of SpaceX, Tesla, and SolarCity revolve around his vision to change the world and humanity. His goals include reducing global warming through a sustainable energy production and consumption, and reducing the risk of human extinction by establishing a human colony in Mars. In 1995, with money raised from a small group of angel investors, Musk and his brother, Kimball, started Zip2, a web software company. The company developed and marketed an internet city guide for the newspaper publishing industry. Musk obtained contracts with the New York Times and the Chicago Tribune and persuaded the board of directors to abandon plans for a merger with CitySearch. While at Zip2, Musk wanted to become CEO. However, none of the board members would allow it. Compaq acquired Zip2 for $360
$7 million in cash and $34 million in stock options in February 1999. Musk received $22 million for his 7% share from the sale.
In March 1999, Musk co-founded X.com, an online financial services and email payment company, with $10 million from the sale of Zip2. 1 year later, the company merged with Confinity. It had a money transfer service called PayPal. The merged company focused on the PayPal service and was renamed PayPal in 2001. PayPal's early growth was driven mainly by a viral marketing campaign, where new customers were recruited when they received money through the service. In October 2002, PayPal was acquired by eBay for $1.5 billion in stock, of which Musk received $165 million before its sale. Musk, who was the company's largest shareholder.
In 2001, Musk conceived Mars Oasis, a project to land a miniature experimental greenhouse on Mars, containing food crops growing on Martian regolith in an attempt to regain public interest in space exploration. The group met with companies such as NPO Lavokin and Cosmotras. However, according to Cantrell, Musk was seen as a novice and was consequently sped on by one of the Russian chief designers, and the group returned to the United States empty-handed. On the flight back from Moscow, Musk realized that he could start a company that could build the affordable rockets that he needed. It was concluded that theoretically, by applying vertical integration and the modular approach from software engineering, SpaceX could cut launch price by a factor of 10 and still enjoy a 70% gross margin. The group met again with Cosmotras and were offered one rocket for $8 million. However, this was seen by Musk as too expensive. Musk consequently stormed out of the meeting. According to Tesla and SpaceX investor Steve Jurvetson, Musk calculated that the raw materials for building a rocket actually were only 3% of the sale price of rockets at the time. Ultimately, Musk ended up founding SpaceX with the long-term goal of creating a true spacefaring civilization. With $100 million of his early fortune, Musk founded Space Exploration Technologies, or SpaceX, in May 2002. Musk is CEO and CTO of the Hawthorne, California-based company. SpaceX develops and manufactures space launch vehicles, with a focus on advancing the stage of rocket technology. The company's first two launch vehicles were the Falcon 1 and Falcon 9 rockets, and its first spacecraft is Dragon. In 7 years, SpaceX designed the family of Falcon launch vehicles and the Dragon multipurpose spacecraft.
Tesla Inc., originally Tesla Motor, was incorporated in July 2003 by Martin Haberman and Mark Tarpenning, who financed the company until the Series A round of funding. Both men played active roles in the company's early development prior to Elon Musk's involvement. Musk led the Series A round of investment in February 2004, joining Tesla's board of directors as its chairman. Musk took an active role within the company and oversaw Roadster production design at a detailed level, but was not deeply involved in day-to-day business operation. Following the financial crisis in 2008 and after a series of escalating conflicts in 2007, Eberhard was ousted from the firm. Musk assumed leadership of the company as CEO and production architect, position he still holds today. Tesla Motors first built an electric sports car, the Tesla Roadster, in 2008, with sales of about 2,500 vehicles to 31 countries. Tesla began a delivery of its four-door Model sedan on June 22, 2012. In addition to its own cars, Tesla sells electric powertrain system to Daimler for the Smart EV, Mercedes B-Class, electric drive and Mercedes A-Class, and to Toyota for the RAV4 EV. Musk was able to bring in both company and long-term investor in Tesla. Tesla is the most important company related to sustainable developments when we're talking about vehicles and means of transport.
In 2016, Musk co-founded Neuralink, a neurotechnology startup company to integrate the human brain with artificial intelligence. The company is centered on creating devices that can be implanted in the human brain with the eventual purpose of helping human beings merge with softwares and keep pace with advancements in artificial intelligence. These enhancements could improve memory or allow more direct interfacing with computing devices. Musk sees Neuralink and OpenAI as related. OpenAI is a non-provider dedicated to minimizing the dangers of artificial intelligence, while Neuralink is working on ways to implant technology into your brains to create mind-computers interfaces.